What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So iPhone 14 Pro with 2 cutouts and pre-installed iOS 16 showed in live photos on the Apple Hub Twitter page, which has almost 200,000 subscribers. They published live photos of the iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 16 pre-installed. It is worth treating them carefully because it may turn out that these photos were created in a graphic editor. However, judging by all the leaks, the final smartphone should look something like this. The lock screen displays new widgets, but the main thing that catches the eye is the absence of the famous bangs, which have been replaced by round and oval cutouts for Face ID sensors. There will be 4 devices in the lineup this year, including the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. There will be a new model called the iPhone 14 Max, which will receive the feeling of the regular iPhone 14 with a larger screen. The two standard versions, iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max, will inherit the design of the previous generation, while the iPhone 14 Max will receive a larger screen. Smartphones will receive last year's single-chip system, 6GB of RAM, 12-megapixel cameras and 60Hz screens. As for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, they will get 120Hz LTPO displays, 6GB of RAM, a new single-chip system, and a new 48-megapixel with 8K video support. The new iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro are ahead of the iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Screens for the first two models will start shipping in June. Panels for the iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max will ship in July. According to Ross Young, founder of research firms Display Supply Chain Consultants and Display Search, said that screens for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro will begin shipping in June, while larger panels for the iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max will ship in July. Recall that in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple is switching to using screens with 2 cutouts, while the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will still receive screens with a large notch type notch. In addition, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max screen use adaptive refresh rate technology, which automatically adjusts the screen refresh rate based on what is displayed on the screen. This ensures smooth operation and saves battery energy. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will use last year's Apple A15 single-chip system, while the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will use new Apple A16 mobile platform. In terms of cameras, the new iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will get a 48-megapixel image sensor and support for 8K video recording. New smartphones should be released in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.